A note from Anna. She wants to meet at the library now. I must hurry.
Tom, breakfast is ready.
Mom? Are we going to the library today?
Yes, Anna is coming too. It's your first time at the library. What if I don't know what to do?
Hi, Tom. Ready for the library? The library is just there. It's so big.
It's okay, Tom. It's safe inside. Let's go explore.
In the library, we must be very quiet. We have to tiptoe like this.
Welcome. Are you looking for something special today? It's Tom's first time here. I'm Miss Baker. I love helping people find books. What do you like?
I like animals.
Follow me.
There are so many.
You can take your time to choose.
Lions. Dolphins. I found it.
See this? This is called the spine of the book. The title and author are written here.
Lions.
When you take a book home, we call it B-O-O-O-W. You borrow the book.
Borrow?
Here you go, Tom. Your very own library card.
Tom! Wow. The lion is moi true the more elegant bees, and one are that. Lions are big cats. What's this word? Savannah. It's a big field where lions live. Savannah.
Story time! Today's story is about a brave little fox. I wonder if acorns taste like cookies, said the fox. But just then, the ground began to rumble.
The end.
That was amazing.
I want to find a fox book. Me too. Excuse me, can you? Help me find a fox book, please.
Of course. That's exactly the right way to ask. This one, Section C, Shelf 4.
Okay, let's see. Need to find fiction. A to F? No. Children's books. Got it. Section C. Shelf 4.
You found it by yourself? Look at the fox's fluffy tail. It's so orange. Wow, that is a very fluffy tail.
Mom? I found this all by myself. When you're done with the book, you return it here.
Return? Like returning home?
Exactly right. You're very smart. These are yours for 2 weeks. A gift for our newest member.
Thank you, Miss Baker. Goodbye.
Come back soon, Tom. You're a wonderful library member.
So, what did you think? I love the library.
I learned to ask for help, and borrow means take a book home, and return means bring it back.
See? I told you it was fun.
Wash your hands first.
Yes, Mom.
Dad, I went to the library. I got my OON library card. I found a book ALL by myself.
Tell me everything. I got mine when I was exactly your age.
We both have library cards. I finished mine. The fox was so brave. I finished mine. The dolphins could talk to each other. Wow, you're planning?
I have 2 weeks to return the books. Then I come back.
I got it. Come on in, Anna. Thanks, Tom. It's so bright inside.
Hi, Miss Baker. Tom, you came back. Did you enjoy the books? I read them both. I want the elephant book now, please. Thank you for returning them on time.
I always take care of library books.
Once upon a time, in a very green jungle, lived a happy monkey.
Elephants or space animals? They both look so good.
I know, I'll take both.
That's the audiobook section. You can listen to stories. And so they began their fantastic adventure. The path was long, but they walked together, step by step.
Kids, reading, challenge. What's this?
You read books, you get stars. Whoever reads 20 books wins a prize.
I want to join the reading challenge, please. Elephants, space animals, sharks, birds.
Everyone loves books.
Have you ever read a poem?
A happy frog jumps on a log. He sees a fly and winks his eye.
The lion roars, the dolphin swims, the little fox runs free.
Hello, you two. Did you find some good books?
Yes, look, Mom.
We can't wait to read them.
1, 2. I need 20 books total. That's a lot more library trips.
Library. Book. Read. Quiet. 15.
Hello. Today we learned about the library. Do you have a library card? Go and get one.